In this video, I will be showing you how we can make a call to named entity recognition PI API using Postman. So let's launch the Postman. And as I will be making a call to a post method, so first of all, I am selecting a post from here. Next, I need a resource of Azure Cognitive Services Text Analytics. So for that, you can go to Azure portal, search for Text Analytics, and click on Create. You can furnish all these 4 or 5 fields, whatever are shown here, and click on Review and Create. So once you will click on Review and Create, you will see that the endpoint keys and the endpoints are generated because we will be needing this information for making a call to an API. So let's go to the URL Postman, and here you can see that it is expecting a URL. So now URL would be the endpoint which is of our cognitive services. So let's copy this one and go to Postman, paste it over here, and after that we need to put the rest of the part where we are going to make a call. So I'm going to append that particular path. So it would be something like this. So text, analytics, v3.1, entities, recognition, and PI. So this is the entire path. Next thing is we need to supply the headers. So for headers, go to the headers, and there are mainly 3 headers which we need to add. So the very first I would add over here is the key, and the value of key we can grab it from Azure portal, which is this one, and I will place it over here. Okay, so next thing we need is the content type. So I will be adding here content type, and its value would be application JSON. So let's place it over here. And last and the final one is the parameter which we need is the region. So for region, we need to add another OCP header, and we'll get its value from the portal itself. So you must be aware where you have created the text analytic resource, and if you're not sure, you can directly get it from here. So copy this, paste it over here. So now we are good with all these headers. Next thing is the input parameters. So it is expecting a JSON. So we need to get some dummy data, or you can pass some JSON as a parameter. So what I'm doing here is I will go to raw JSON, and here I'm pasting it. So let's drag it over here. So this is the information I'm going to use, and let's click on send. So as soon as you will click on send, you will see that you have received the status equal to 200, and this is the response which we have received. So that's how we need to make a call to this recognition API. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.